Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day in the books, and overall, I would consider it a very bullish day. Not because the price basically what was slightly green, but more so because the price started off so bad and the bulls were able to recover. I mean, you got to keep things in perspective. And at one point, the price was actually down below not only that green line right there, which I talked about, but also the pink line right there, which is the 200 period moving average. Both very important levels, especially that 200 period moving average. So like I said, the price was down below that area, but this is where the true bullishness comes into play. That didn't last for that long, and the price was able to bounce its way back up to where it ultimately closed the day at, right around 1336. So from that point of view, a close call, but the bulls showed up when they definitely needed to show up from the technical chart perspective. So moral of the story there, $13 remains that ideal level of support. 1288 and 1288 is just simply the value of that pink line there, is that other area of support. If you want, you can just call this a little support zone right here, since those levels are so close to one another. But like I said, that is where I would give the most bullishness from. And I get it maybe seems counterintuitive. How can you call it bullish when those levels of support were violated? Which is true, but like I said, that's only half the story. The rest of the story is, yeah, they were violated, but then the price was able to get, bounce back above those areas. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, in the very near term, it's all about that purple line, which I know I've talked about in past videos, that being the 50 period moving average, currently valued just slightly up above $13.50. So keep an eye on that. It's within striking distance. There's definitely some bullish momentum with the uptrend right here. It's still got work to do, but yeah, I think it's, of course, no such thing as a guarantee, but it's a reasonable thought to have that maybe a breakout of 1350 is coming. So let's see how things play out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.